This is Algebra 1B, Part 1, Unit 3, Polynomials and Factoring, Lesson 6, Factoring x squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so I'm just going to work several examples and tell you how I think it through. What we're doing is the opposite or inverse or reverse of multiplying. So you recall if I have x plus 3 times x plus 4, we can distribute x times x times 4, 3 times x, 3 times 4. Okay, what I just did was to distribute the x times x times 4, 3 times x, 3 times 4. Distribute twice. And the next step is to combine like terms. 4x's and 3x's make 7x's. But doing this in reverse order is pretty tricky. But actually, I think you'll find it not too bad. So here's the way I think of it. Let's take another example, because we already know how this factors. Let's say I've got x squared plus 9x plus 14. Okay? X squared plus 9x plus 14. So we got a trinomial. Here's what I do. I'm going to write two sets of parentheses below it. Okay, and I'm going to think of things that multiply to make 14. Now, so that I don't miss any, I start with 1. 1 times what is 14? Well, 1 times 14. 2. 2 times what is 14? 2 times 7 is 14. I can go on and try 3, won't go, 4 won't go, 5 won't go, 6 won't go. So that's it. That's all the factors of 14, things that multiply to make 14. Now, here's what I think. Think of factors of 14 that add to make 9, because remember this addition we did up here. Think of factors that add to make 9. These numbers added to make 7. I need factors that add to make 9. Okay, well, 1 plus 14, that's 15, so it's not that. 2 plus 7, that's 9. So 2 and 7 are the ones I need. So I'm going to write x plus 2 and x plus 7. Now I could multiply this out and verify that it does come out to x squared plus 9x plus 14. That would be a way to check my work. Okay, let's try another. Let's try one more here. Let's do x squared x squared plus 2x plus or minus 2x minus, let's do 2x minus, let's do actually, what is it here? I'm having a hard time thinking here. 15. There we go. That'll work. All right. X squared plus 2x minus 15. Now you notice this time I have a minus, so I'm going to write two sets of parentheses, just like before. And I'm going to think of factors of 15. 1 times 15, 2 doesn't go. 3 times 5, 4, no, 5, yeah, it's already there. Okay, so that's it. That's all the factors. Now I need to think of factors of 15 whose difference is 2. Whose difference is 2. Well, 15 minus 1 is 14, so it's not that. 5 minus 3, that's 2. So 5 and 3 are the pair that I need. Now I need them to be positive 2, so the 5 gets to be positive and the 3 gets to be negative. So I'm going to write x plus 5 and x minus 3. Okay? And so that is how it factors. So when the last term is negative, we're looking for factors whose difference is the middle term. Okay, one more. Let's do x squared minus 4x, okay, minus, let's do 21. Okay, so factors of 21 are 1 and 21, 2 no, 3 and 7, 4 no, 5 no, 6 no. Okay, and we're going to write two sets of parentheses, and we're going to think of factors of 21 that subtract to make negative 4. Well, 21 minus 1 is 20. 7 minus 3, that's 4, but I need to make it negative 4. That would work if I make the 7 negative and the 3 positive. Negative 7 and 3 makes 4. So those are the ones I need. I'm going to use x minus 7 and x plus 3. Okay, and one last one. I'm in danger of making this video too long. One last one here. What if the middle term is negative and the end term is positive? So x squared minus 6x plus 7. Okay, so again, I write two sets of parentheses. I think of things that multiply to make 7. Always start with 1. 1 times 7. 2, no. 3, no. 4, no. 5, no. 6, no. So 1 and 7 are it. Those are our only choices, but I need them to add to make negative 6. Well, 1 plus 7 is 6, but not negative 6. But what if I make them both negative? Negative times negative is positive. Negative 1 times negative 7 is positive 7. Negative 1 and negative 7. Whoops. Whoops, 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 whoops. That's a problem. I made a problem that doesn't solve. Okay, let's try this again. I was thinking right, but backwards. 5. There we go. 5, not 7. Okay, so factors of 5 are 1 and 5. 1 and 5. And 1 and 5. And they need to add to make 6. 1 plus 5 makes 6. But they need to add to make negative 6. So negative 1 and negative 5 make negative 6. While negative 1 times negative 5 makes positive 5. So that does it. So here we go. So x minus 1 and x minus 6. Okay? So you can always factor by listing factors and looking for factors whose sum is 9, factors whose difference is 2, factors whose difference is 4, and factors whose sum is 6.